We just finished a report, which is like that book. It's not the report we meant to write, actually. But it's called Transactions, Transformations, Translations. And we set out, actually, initially, to try to write a book that would translate between what organizers were doing and what philanthropy wants. Philanthropy is really moving in the direction of evidence-based giving, but they're like frustrated with these movement organizers, right? Who talk about changing people's soul, right? So like, what the hell does that mean? So we thought we needed to translate that. And in the translation, what we realized was it was a little more than that. It wasn't just translating. The organizers themselves were trying to figure out how to measure what they were doing. And in the process of doing that, we figured out there were two different measures. One are transactions, and the others are transformations. Transactions are the number of people who come to a meeting. Transformations are whether you've developed a leader over time. Transactions is how many people are in a coalition. Transformations is how thick and long-lasting that coalition is. Transactions is whether you get a policy win. Transformations are whether those policy wins add up to lasting social change and a shift in the power dynamics, right? And there is a lot of focus on transactions because they're easy to measure. Transformations are more difficult to measure. And so what we've been trying to do is helping by developing sample metrics for 10 commonly used strategies that we call signing up, getting people to participate, skilling up, building their capacity, and scaling up, moving to a larger political platform. Just to give you an example of this, transactions may include the number of people that you mobilize, voter registration and turnout. Transformations are a sense of ownership, community, and trust, whether people are empowered to speak up and take action. So